action.
Hello everyone, welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. Today we are going to test 500 grams oat powder product on this ATM-320C, economical, multifunctional and easy to operate. It is customized the nitrogen gas filling device on this machine. Okay, let me run the machine to show you how it works. Here it is control panel. Let's start the machine. Okay, I'll stop the machine first. Let's check the finish specs. The end sealing, the vertical sealing of the bag, the printing results. If you are interested in these small granule vertical packaging machines, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.